Today we are going to help our parents to earn $2. Today we are going to pull out these green weeds from the lawn. This is going to be a tough job. You need to pay us some more.
Pull it with the roots, don't just pull the weed itself.
To have a clean and healthy lawn, you should pick out all these weeds in late winter and early spring. Whatever lawn control you have, you should pick out all the weeds with the roots. It's 1 million, Simeon, Papa. Look how much we picked. We're gonna get paid for this. We earned $5 in less than an hour by picking the weeds. I'm gonna go get the piggy banks. When you get time, help your parents so that you will get a reward. We are saving this money to get something.
I hope you learned how to get money from your parents.
Please like and subscribe. Bye!